Hey y'all, it's Tali, and welcome to this week's vlog. As you guys can tell by the title of this vlog, we are going somewhere very, very exciting. We are going to New York City, baby! I have been wanting to go to New York ever since I left. Well, that was a really long time ago, but I went to New York like in, I think, middle school. It was like a school field trip. I went and it was fun, and we did a lot of saw a lot of historical landmarks and stuff. But when I went, we didn't go to Love Shack, we didn't go to Lotte Ray, we didn't go to Stony, we didn't do any of that stuff. But this time, we can, and I am so excited. So yes, in this week's vlog, I'm taking you guys with me to New York City. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to my trip to New York this week for a couple days. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into this New York City vlog. Alright guys, so it's currently 3:30 in the morning. Our flight is very early. It is at 6 a.m. So we are up at 3:30 right now. We're gonna get ready to leave soon. I just got ready. I just did some light makeup right now because later today we are actually going to Broadway. So I'm gonna fix it up a bit tonight. And then right now we're just heading over to the plane and of course heading over to New York. I actually had to pack for this trip like days in advance because I was so busy and I just didn't have time to like fully pack. But for the first time ever, I actually have a little bit of space in my suitcase. So this means I have room to buy new things. I do not need to buy anything new, but I do know I do want to buy one thing, but we'll get to that later in the vlog when we're in New York. But I don't need to buy anything else. You guys saw I just bought 3 new Stanley cups from the Love Shack Fancy X Stanley collab. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I'll put that video here on the screen. But anyways, before I leave, let me show you guys my outfit for the airport. Alright, here is my luggage all put together. I am loving this little backpack that I got from State. I got this for Easter. I've been using this recently for travel. It is so good. I love that it has the little thing on the back here. Okay, now here is my outfit for the airplane. I just need to add a jacket. But my earrings are from Coach. My necklace, I'm not sure where it's from. My shirt is Brandy Melville. This is New York City. My leggings are Yogalicious, and then my shoes are Golden Goose. I also wanted to show you guys, I got my nails done. I got these gorgeous French tips. I'm absolutely obsessed with them, and I love them. All right, guys, I will see you all later. Hopping back in the vlog, finally. We are finally in New York City. Oh my goodness. So right now we're getting ready to go to Broadway. We're gonna go see the musical 6. So yeah, our flight was super early this morning. I was super duper tired. I slept literally the whole flight there. And then when we got back here, we just checked in real quick. And then we went to Times Square for a little bit. We went to go get lunch and we just did some like walking around. And then I came back to the hotel and now we're getting ready for Broadway. The bathroom has the best lighting, so that's why I'm in here. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. My necklace is Kendra Scott. Bracelets are Amazon and Bauble Bar. This is Love Shack Fancy X Kendra Scott. I have a full video collection unboxing of this collaboration. My dress is the Love Shack Fancy Pinto dress. I'm so obsessed with this dress. Super duper excited to wear it. I feel like it's the perfect dress. And then don't mind the bathroom. My shoes are just a new day. They're Target. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. Alright guys, I am back in the hotel room, back after the musical. It was so good. I had never seen it before and I really liked it. We also picked up some dinner. I just got some Nathan's. I've been wanting to try it ever since we got here. And yeah, that wraps up day 1 in New York. I can't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow is pretty exciting. We are going to the Upper East Side and I'm so excited. Hey y'all, it's Tali and today is day 2 of New York. I am super duper excited for today because today we are going to the Upper East Side. We're gonna go to all of my favorite stores like Love Shack Fancy, Monterey, Ralph's. I'm so excited to have Ralph's again. Last time I had Ralph's was in Chicago. If you guys haven't seen that Chicago vlog, I'll put it here on the screen. I loved Ralph's. We're also gonna go to the Met, which I've never been to before. I'm super duper excited for that. And yeah, so let me show you guys my outfit of the day. My hair bow is from Marshall's. My earrings are Love Shack Fancy X Kendra Scott. My necklace is Love Shack Fancy X Kendra Scott. My bracelet is Love Shack Fancy X Kendra Scott. For my stack on this hand, Sweetheart, which is antique. I got this new Shabby for Me bracelet, and then Amazon for the rest of the bracelets. And then my dress is this Love Shack Fancy Natasha dress. I feel like this is so classic and so simple. I think this will be perfect for walking all around today on the Upper East Side. And then my shoes are my same Golden Gooses, but I don't want to show you guys the toilet again. And yeah, I will see you guys on the Upper East Side. From the Upper East Side, and now I'm ready for dinner. The Upper East Side was so fun. I was literally living my Gossip Girl dreams, although unfortunately I didn't get to go to the Met because it was too late, but that's okay. I still got to sit on the steps like Miss Blair. But yeah, Love Shack was super fun. Going to the one on Madison. Unfortunately, they didn't have the thing I wanted, so I'm hoping the one tomorrow does, so I can get a little souvenir from here. Roller Rabbit also didn't have the New York pajamas, so, but that's okay. Ralph's was so cute, and I was super excited because they had the little Olympic sleeve for the Cubs, so I got that. And we also went to Bon Bon, so I'm excited to eat some candy later. But let me show you guys my outfit of the day for dinner tonight. My earrings are from Adina's Jewels. My necklace is Kendra Scott. Bracelets are Amazon and Bobble Bar. This one is vintage, American Sweetheart. This is new. Okay, so this is my Love Shack Fancy little bespoke tank. I love this. I saw this on the Reroll and I was like, oh my gosh, I have been wanting more of their bespoke pieces. I need this. It's pink. Love this. And then I'm wearing this little like midi jean skirt. I thought it was cute. I thought it kind of like looked cute like with this, and it brings some like country, my southern roots to New York. And then I'm wearing my same Golden Gooses, although they have been killing my feet. Well, they're really comfy. But the side, like my pinky toe, has been getting like smashed, and so it's been like low-key hurting it. But anyways, yeah. Hey y'all, it's Tali, and today is our last day in New York. Today we are going to Greenwich Village. I'm super duper excited. We're also going to San Ambrose for lunch. Fingers crossed they serve the princess cake at lunch, because that's like kind of the whole point. We're also gonna go to the Love Shack, Lele, Stony. I'm so excited for Stony Clover. I have never been to a Stony Clover Lane store. But yeah, so this is my outfit for the day. Let me show you it in detail. Earrings are Love Shack Fancy X Kendra Scott. Necklace is Love Shack Fancy X Kendra Scott. Ring is Gucci. My bracelet is antique vintage. Bracelet is Shabby for Me. 2 gold bracelets are from Amazon. And then my hair bow is Love Shack Fancy. It's old Love Shack Fancy. And then my dress is also OG Love Shack Fancy. It is the green leaf print. It is so cute and pretty, and I would show you guys the bottom. But there it is. And yeah. And alright guys, I will see you all later. I'll miss you, New York. Jumping back in this vlog. So I got back from New York last night, but it was super duper late and I had a lot of things to do. I had to unpack because you guys know I hate unpacking. I had to shower because I was going to work the next day, and I had to sleep because it was pretty late. So sadly, I am not in New York anymore. I am back to reality, but New York was so much fun, and I'm so thankful and grateful I was able to go right before school, you know, just have like one little more vacation before all of that gets started. And like I said, I've always wanted to go to New York. I got to do so many things I've wanted to do. I got to go to San Ambrose for the first time, Stony Clover for the first time, the Met, although I didn't get to go inside of the Met. I went to 2 beautiful Love Shack fancy stores that I hadn't been to. I can check those off my list. And yeah, and I just had an awesome time. I saw 6. It was a really awesome time, and I had a great time with my family, and it was a fun trip. But before I end this vlog, I wanted to give you guys a little Tali haul on what I bought, because it wouldn't be a Tali video without a Tali haul. I have just a few things to show you guys. First, I'm gonna start with Stony Clover. So this is actually my mom's, but I'm gonna show it anyway. She got a little pink flamingo luggage tag, and then she also got a little patch to go on top of it. And then I just got a little new destination patch. I did want to get a special embroidered piece at Stone Clover, but unfortunately they didn't have any that I really liked. And they're also coming out with like some new clear bag styles, and I know I want to get one of those. Next, Love Shack Fancy. Okay, from Love Shack Fancy, I just got this adorable little hair clip. It is a pink little bow. I just thought it was so perfect to throw in my hair. I really wanted to get one of the little shabby for me beaded bracelets that say New York on them, but unfortunately both of the stores I went to didn't have any, so I decided just to get this. Next, I went to Little Word Projects. First, I got this bracelet that says, "You got this," and it's just white with the little, like, iridescent stars. And then they had little mystery bracelets. I, luckily, got this pink one that says Patience on it with a little pink flower. And this one's my mom's mystery bracelet, but I'm gonna show it anyways because it's here. She got this one that says Hope on it with a little rainbow. I'm also just gonna show you guys real quickly some paper things, mementos I saved. From Stony Clover, I got the little postcard. I got the little business card. And then I also got this little sticker. And then this I was super duper excited for. I got the Stony Clover Lane passport. If you didn't know, at Stony Clover, when you visit, you can ask them for a passport and they'll stamp it. I just thought this was really cute, and you can get a little stamp on it, and I plan to put the little sticker next to it. I think they'll be super cute for all the different stores you go to. I was so excited about this, but at Ralph's, they still had the limited edition sleeves for the Olympics, so I got that and I saved it. And then just at San Ambrose, I got this little card that they give you whenever you pay. Lastly, I actually ordered this from the Love Shack Fancy Nashville store because it's sold out on Love Shack Fancy and on State, but I got the Love Shack Fancy X State backpack for school. I am so excited for this backpack. It is so cute. It is huge also. This has way more space than I thought it would, and I'm gonna show you it out the bag. Here is the backpack out of the bag. It is gorgeous. It is so big. And just because some of you guys might be curious and want to know, just showing you guys a little size comparison of the Pottery Barn teen backpack and the State backpack. So I had this one before this one, but I saw this one and I just thought it was so cute and I could not pass it up. And I'm just torn now which one to use for college. But here is the backpack. It has the gorgeous bows on it, which I just love. It's pink and white, and then it has kind of these like flowers on the side. It has 2 side pockets, which is awesome, and it has 2 big pockets. Here is the first one, and it has all of these little compartments. I'm going to show you guys that up closely. And then it even has a pocket in the back here that you can put your laptop in. And also this backpack is really good for travel because on the back it has a little sleeve here that you can put this on your suitcase. Alright guys, there you have it. That brings me to the end of this New York vlog. I hope you enjoyed the little haul at the end, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, my name is Tali, and thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social media, here on the screen, down in the description below, because you'll be seeing a lot of New York pics. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, fabulous day.